1955 Chevrolet Gasser. It's like the car from Two-Lane Blacktop with James Taylor starring in it. Back in the 80s or 70s, I'm not sure. They got to be 80s, I guess. Nice looking car.
I heard he was making some noise, but he don't have his cutouts plugged.
Oh, yeah, it's plugged off?
They're
Oh, yeah.
plugged, so they're running through, but he's doing it.
Yeah.
Got some noise to it.
Oh, yeah.
It says the same thing on my tire.
Oh, does it really? '55 got a roll bar in it. That's racing slicks on it. We got fender wheels cut out, like they did back in the '50s. It's early styles dragster right here. Got that teardrop hood scoop on it. No seats in the back. Clay Smith cams. One of James Taylor here. James Taylor. Get that right in a minute. Got a straight axle on it, leaf springs. No bumper in the front, I guess, to take the weight off. Nice little hot rod. Hey, buddy. A little buddy down there. Sometimes he has other ideas about the production of this camera company, video company. How about that? Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, Van. I changed arms so he won't be jerking me around. Got the headers coming out the side here. Got them cut off so you can have it quiet going down the street, or open them up when you get to drag racing, I guess. I like that scoop on there. That's kind of scoop years ago too. I call it teardrop scoop. It might be the wrong word, but took the windshield wiper blade off so you can go smoother through the air. Nice looking car. Real nice. I'm gonna do a big one. I put this on here before, but if y'all haven't seen it, I think it's a 3031 Ford Coupe. Hey, much out here today. I have sometime in the past. It's too hot for people right off the bat. Hi, buddy. Hope I can get y'all dizzy. 57. Hey guys, how y'all doing? Nice car. Four speed. Only way to go. Grand National. It's got a souped up V6 in it. I think from the factory.
Sit down and everything, huh?
Yeah, he's liking that. He loves attention. We got 4 of them, and he likes to get out away from them, so he gets all attention when he come out here.
Is he the smallest?
No, well, he's in the middle, I guess.
Okay.
He's the daddy of
So how one that's smaller than that is.
I guess you call that turbo in there. Clean as a pin, though, I tell you that. Everything looks brand new. 69 Chevelle. 454. Got another 57 Chevrolet right here. I don't think I've seen this one before. I don't. It's got headers on it. I can see that underneath it. Got the good-looking rims on it. Looks like Corvette rims. Two-door sedan. My uncle had one like that. I probably told y'all before, but I knocked the window out of it by accident. Pretty car. I wish I had the one on his back right now. He's had a 6 on it. He towed the big house trailer around with that thing. From South Carolina to here. Pretty car. Pretty car. Come on, buddy. 1957. Man, I wish I still had his car. That was 50-some years ago. Probably close to 60. Pretty car. Got a Nova 327. Too much, it says. Little pickup truck. 32 Ford for sale. $1930. Steel body. GTO. What do you think year you think it is? 68, 69? I can't see it on this side. The sun is shining down on me. It'd be done with a glare for y'all. What year's your goat?
66.
66, all right.
Yes, sir. Hello, Father.
Had a buddy who had one back in the day with a, what do you call it? It was a sedan instead of hardtop. Had a post in the middle with windows.
Post, they call it.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the coupe.
Yeah.
389.
All right. How long you had it?
Oh, a year.
A year?
Yeah.
You done anything to it and you said you had it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I did some engine work.
Yeah, engine work?
Yeah. I'm gonna, just adding accessories, touching things up, brackets,
Okay.
all that kind of stuff.
Looks good.
Thank you.
Looks nice. What was that 71, 72?
72.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How old are you now?
Old enough.
Oh, I see if we're the same age or not. I'm 73.
Oh, I'm about 3 years younger.
Oh, okay. You're just a youngin' then.
Yeah. You're wearing it well for 73. I'm hoping to get, and you're going to hear.
That's about right.
A lot of them
That's
will
what
be
they do.
surprised.
That's what they do, yeah.